Hi friends, good morning. Myself Mr. V.R. Sanaf, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department of Kekiwak Polytechnic Nasik. Friends, today we are going to discuss about introduction of CNC machines. So CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. CNC machines can perform various functions which can be performed on conventional machines. It is a machine that is usually programmed and controlled by a computer so as to offer a very short setup times and also the flexibility to run batches. A CNC machine is a type of industrial tool that performs commands based on the numeric code that is entered into the machine. Friend, CNC machine are traditionally programmed using a set of commands known as G code and M codes. Basically, CNC machine is a cutting process in which material is removed from a workpiece by a tool. Cutting tools of various profiles, that is shapes, are available including round, square and angle. A wide variety of part shapes and geometries are possible with these machines. So CNC machine is one of the common machine tools in machinery industries that can perform those repetitive tasks of drilling and turning that used to be human jobs long time ago. The movements of the workpiece and cutters are accurately controlled, usually via the precision ground slides along with the lead screw or with the analogous technology. So friends, CNC machines are usually programmed by using a series of standard commands that we name it as G codes to represent specific CNC tasks in alphanumeric form. There are many different sizes for a CNC machine based on the purpose and location of uses as well as the material that need to be cut. So normally a material like plastic and wood are the easiest things to cut, unlike steel that need more stronger milling machine and longer time. With CNC machine we can improve the speed of cut compared to manual operation. So in next slide we will see the features of CNC machine. So storage of more than one part program, that is CNC controller can store many programs in its memory unit. Then second feature, various forms of program input, means the part program can be fed to a CNC controller through multiple capabilities such as punch tape, then we can use magnetic tape, then floppy diskettes, okay, then we can use RS-232 communications with external computers and manual data input. Then next feature, that is program editing at the machine tool. The part program in the controller's memory can be edited and used for similar workpiece. The next feature, that is fixed cycle and programming subroutines. If same operation is to be performed repeatedly, then the programmer need not have to write the blocks every time. He can call the already saved cycle number of times. So it saves the times. The next feature, that is cutter length and size compensation. A programmer written or a program written for particular diameter of a tool can also execute properly for different tool diameters. Similarly, same program can be used for varying length of tool by entering the proper dimension into the MCU. Then next features, that is acceleration and deceleration calculations, means when the cutter moves at a high feed rate, it generates tool marks on the work surface. When the cutter changes its path, these features declarates the feed rate where the tool path change and then accelerated back up to the program feed rate after the direction change. Then another feature, that is communication interface. So most CNC controller are equipped with a standard RS-232 or sometimes other communication interface to link the machine to other computers and computer driven devices. And last features of CNC machine, that is diagnostics, Many modern CNC systems possess a diagnostic capability that monitors certain aspects of the machine tool to detect malfunctions or sign of impeding malfunctions or to diagnose system breakdowns. So these are the features of CNC machines. Then there are different types of CNC machines. So we will see one by one. There are 5 types of CNC machine, that is CNC milling machine, CNC lathe machine, CNC router machine, then plasma cutting machine, and CNC laser cutting machine. So first, that is the CNC milling machine. So CNC technology enables far greater precision in milling than when the operation is performed manually. So the CNC milling machine can be programmed to vary in depth, angle, and direction of cut. So a 3-axis machine operates along with x and y horizontal axis, as well as z is the vertical axis. A 4-axis machine includes a rotary dimension to its linear capability, which allow it to cut along an arc. Then second type, CNC lathe machine. So let's use in turning centers operates by rotating the cylindrical material rapidly on a spindle. While the material is rotating, a cutting tool is used to shape the piece into its desired form. So CNC lathes are ideal for manufacturing symmetrical objects that have conical, spherical, or cylindrical shapes. Then third type, that is CNC router machine. So here a CNC router can engrave wood, metal, or plastic, and is a very common type of CNC machine. So CNC router are machines built exclusively to be operated by CNC technology and typically have no human interface other than through the computer. So routers are generally used for producing larger dimension parts and more commonly built with the idea of cutting wood, plastic, and sheet metal in mind. So there are also CNC routers which are 4, 5, or even 6 axis. So another type of machine, that is CNC plasma cutting machine. CNC plasma cutters are used to cut metals and wood and do not require as much power as a CNC router. So these machines use a plasma torch to penetrate wood or sheet metal. So plasma cutters use a plasma torch to cut sheet metal. They are ideally suited for cutting two-dimensional shapes. So CNC plasma cutters are very similar to CNC routers in size and in setup. However, plasma cutters do not require as much of a powerful setup, because as opposed to dragging around a spinning tool in material, they fly above the table with a plasma torch. Then another machine, that is CNC laser cutting machine. So in CNC laser cutting machines, uh, the CNC laser cutter operate quite like CNC plasma cutters, but instead a laser is used to cut the wood, plastic, or metal. Laser can also be used to cut the plastic. So CNC laser cutter follow the same principle as the plasma cutter, except they use a powerful laser to do the cutting. So laser cutter will need a different strength of laser suited for the material depending on the hardness and thickness. So this is the information of different types of CNC machines. So next, there are some advantages of CNC machines. So CNC machine has a good accuracy, or greater accuracy of job can be produced or achieved. Then second advantage, higher repeatability and improved product quality. Then less operator skill is required to run CNC machine. Then higher production rate, lower tooling cost per piece in mass production. Then jig and fixtures cost can be reduced. Then reduced cycle time, better tool life and machinability, less scrap due to consistent accuracy, and less error. Then excellent readability, as dimensions are based on programs then reduce in process inventory of part in process, design changes are possible, productivity can be improved to great extent, tool setup time can be reduced, then it is most suitable for continuous and better production, because here we can use the programs, so program can be stored and used again when required. And last, that is optimum speed and feed for best surface finish can be used. Then there are some disadvantages. It is more expensive than manually operated machine. Then second, CNC machines are more complex machine. Cost of control system is more. Then maintenance is high. And last, that is the CNC machine operator needs basic training and skills. Then there are some applications of CNC machine. So CNC machines are used in industry for removing the metals, means the metal removing industry remove the metal from the raw material to give it the desired as per the requirement. For example, for making the shafts, gears, various rounded, square, rectangles, threaded and other jobs. Then second, industries for fabrication metal, means in fabrication industry thin plates like steel plate are required for various purposes that required machining operation on such plate. For example, operation like shearing, then flame or plasma cutting, punching, laser cutting, forming and welding. Then third application, electrical discharge machining, that is the EDM machine remove the metal by creating the spark that burns the metal. So wire EDM is used to make the punch and die combination for the dies set that are used in the industry where fabrication is done. And the next, other industries where CNC machines are used, means CNC machines are also used extensively in the woodworking industry to perform various operations like routing similar to milling and drilling. So CNC technology is also used in number of lettering and engraving system. There are also CNC machines for electrical industries such as CNC coil winders and CNC terminal location and soldering machine. So these are the applications of CNC machine. Thank you very much.